on the right side.
Last migi barai.
A dash to low right.
Water held still frozen, now in sight. Hyo is the Onyo here.
Hyoga, a glacier.
Hyozan,
An iceberg.
Hyotenka.
Below freezing point.
Ryuhyo,
Drift ice.
Hakuhyo.
Thin ice.
Hyozan no ikkaku.
The tip of the iceberg, they say.
Just a hint that much is hidden away. Kori is the kunyo here.
Kori,
Ice, plain and clear.
Kori mizu.
Ice water, kakigori shaved ice, a summer treat.
Korigashi,
Frozen dessert,
icy and sweet.
and he is a rare kumher.
In a word used in literature.
He's summer rain that falls half frozen cold. And there's Tsurara,
A jukujiku, right?
icicles, hanging pillars of ice.あ、かき氷だ。
好きやな、ほんま？
パイ、抹茶、溶ける前に食べて。
冷た？
もう遅いな、溶けちゃうよ。私が手伝ってあげる。
強盗やな。
Oh, shaved ice.
You really love that stuff, huh?
Here, matcha, eat it before it melts.
Cold,
You're so slow, it's melting. I'll help you out.
that's robbery.
Hyobion Kori the kun.
He is hurting, he's sane too.
Tsurara, a jukujiku.
Kakigori,
Natsumatsuri, shaved ice, summer festival.
好きやな、ほんま。You really love this, huh?
好きだよ。